Hey everyone, my friends, this is Valor. Today I'll show you what to do if the update server isn't available in Valorant. First, you might try turning your VPN on or off. Yes, trying a VPN is definitely the first step. Next, try restarting the Riot launcher or the Riot client. Right-click and select Exit, then launch it again. Another solution might be to clear your DNS. For this, you'll need to run the command prompt as an administrator. Press yes, then type ipconfig/dns and hit enter. After that, you'll reset your DNS. If none of this helped, the only thing left is to check the Riot service status or the Riot Games service status. As you can see, right now we've got an issue with Valorant. Something's not working. You can also select your region there. Maybe the issues are happening in your specific region. This was Valor with you. Goodbye everyone.